WordPress AI agents make building websites extremely easy because unlike chatbots that just respond to prompts, agents can reason, plan, and take action on your site. This means you can build pages, write content, optimize for SEO, and manage most of your WordPress site through chat. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use these AI agents in two different ways. WordPress has a growing ecosystem of AI agents. What makes them so special is that they can see your active theme, your plugins, and your hosting setup. So when you ask them to do something, they have full context to work on your setup. At Hostinger, we've created Kodi. It's connected to your WordPress site from the moment it goes live, so you can start editing and building right away. And if you want to go more advanced and have more flexibility, there's also an MCP setup that lets you connect external AI tools like Claude directly to your site. If you're just getting your business online, Kodi is where you start. And if you need more automation and control, MCP is the next step. We'll cover that in just a bit, but you can just skip ahead now too. How to set up a WordPress website with Hostinger. To use any of these AI agents, you first need a WordPress site, which you most likely already have. But if not, you can set up with Hostinger super easily with either of these plans. Once you have a plan, you just need to add your website from the H panel. Make sure your details are correct and select from either a pre-built website template or go to WordPress. From the dashboard, you'll click Create a Site with AI and describe a type of website you want to build. For example, create a business website for a law firm that clearly represents its legal services and builds trust with potential clients. Use a clean and structured design with a serious and high-end feel, strong typography, and a natural color palette. Include a home page with a clear value proposition and call to action, an about page with a firm's background and expertise, a services page outlining practice areas, a section for case results or client testimonials, and of course, a contact page. In the next screen, you'll be able to choose your builder, Elementor or Gutenberg, and your preferred language. I'll choose Elementor in this case and leave it in English. Kodee will then ask a few questions which will help Hostinger's WordPress AI website builder generate it for you. Then, you can go to plugins and look for the Hostinger WordPress AI agent plugin. This is what powers Kodi inside WordPress and is usually installed automatically. Once all these plugins are active, Kodi is ready to go and you can start managing your site directly through chat. How to edit your WordPress website with Hostinger's AI agent. Let me show you how this all works in action. Let's start with the design. The AI has created all the pages and sections that I asked for, but the layout and colors can be improved a little bit. So let me ask Kodi to enhance the design of the homepage, add spacing, and make sure the text over the images is legible. And here it is. Now, I could keep asking it to polish things, or I could also use the panel here to make some changes. Now, if I wanted to create a blog post, for example, I just have to give Kodi a topic and target audience. Let's say, create a blog post about tenants' rights in the US with one section relevant for tenants and another one for homeowners. And Kodi will generate a draft with a headline and body copy. Let's click on it. Okay, I'm missing some length and I want to make sure it's optimized for SEO. And this is how you pretty much keep editing your website. If you wanted something extra like an FAQ section, a testimonial section, or a location map on your about page, then you just prompt Kodi to do that, like it's doing here. How to add your own AI agents to WordPress through MCP. Now, let's integrate WordPress with Claude Code using MCP and the Hostinger AI plugin, which comes pre-installed on all new websites. It's actually the same plugin that powers Kodi inside the WordPress admin dashboard. This basically lets external AI tools like Claude Code connect directly to your WordPress site and control it using natural language. With the right tools and permissions connected, an AI agent can help manage tasks like posts, pages, media, users, plugins, themes, categories, and tags. For example, you'd write a prompt like this one into Claude. Claude would then send the action through MCP, and then you would see the result in WordPress. To connect Claude Code to your WordPress site, make sure you have Node.js installed locally, and then log into Claude Code. Then head back to your WordPress dashboard in Hostinger and go to Tools to make sure Disable Application Passwords is turned off. Then, in the Edit Profile page, scroll down to New Application Password Name and create a new password called Claude Code. Once that's done, go back to Claude Code and ask it to connect to your website through MCP. Then paste this URL and Well, by the way, AI could actually discover the URL on its own and enter your WordPress username and application password you just created. After you hit send, Claude Code will connect directly to your site. A good first step is asking you to list all the pages on your website. And you can open the Pages section in WordPress and compare everything directly inside Claude Code. From there, you can keep editing your website through Claude Code itself, and you'll see the changes appear live on your website. Now, WordPress AI agents are still early, but the gap between knowing how to use them and not is already showing up in how fast people can build and manage sites. If you'd like to continue learning how to use AI with websites, make sure to check out our video on OpenClaw for WordPress, where we show how to automate 5 essential marketing tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.